Today I'm going to show you the Slipstream installation of Microsoft SQL Server 2025. So go to Evolution Center of this URL of 2025 and download the 64-bit. So once you download it, it will the ISO exe file generated. From that exe file, you will get ISO file. Okay, and now if I see, click here and it will download it. You click open this one, click yes. Now go to download media and select the ISO file and press download. In this location, the file will get downloaded. I have already downloaded before this video getting recorded. So I'm just canceling this video. Now, if I go here, I kept all the files and everything. Now, if I go here, this URL and you can see that currently CU2 is there for SQL Server 2025. Click on this link and here we just click on this link again, it will download that. Now generally we used to follow n-1 for for example, if we are having cu2, then our organization will have only cu1 only. So once we come cu3, then only we go for cu2. Okay, so now come down here and here you can select this link and click the download the latest link. Okay, so once it is done, you have to click the download, it will get downloaded. So I already downloaded, kept all the folders here. Now you need to right click on the ESO and okay, now you have to extract. If you don't have WinRZip handy, now you can do mount or just copy this one, or you can go to any folder, or I'm going to this one and you can paste it here. Okay, now this is the file. Now what you need to do, you need to create just copy this say exe file. I mean previously it was not part of, I mean it is not part of the ISO file. Now update, update. Now you can paste it here and now this is the window. Now CMD, open this CMD here. Now copy this URL, go to CMD and paste this one, press enter. CLS, and now we are in the respective path and press dot, otherwise paste this button. Now setup.exe slash action.install update enable equal to true, update service source is equal to dot means local, what is that in the local SQL file, that is that. Now press enter. Now press yes. Next, so here it is asking the update. Okay, now proceed next. So now I'm performing new installation. So here I'm selecting enterprise developer. So just now proceed next. Now select the accept, proceed to next. Here I am unchecking, this is not required for me. Here for now I'm selecting a database engine services. So I'm proceeding next. Now you can name MS SQL 2025 CU2 for just I'm doing the demo for right now current version is CU2 like latest version, so that's I'm naming it as CU2. Okay, So you have to follow the naming convention what you used to follow, like data center name and what is the report purpose, QAR, something like that. Okay. Now proceed to next. Now I'm this one. Give the name if you have. Right now I'm proceeding with the NT only. Next. Now add current user. So select this one. Make sure that like you have added for safety purpose both and authentications has to be there. So next. Now install. So now we have successfully installed Microsoft SQL Server 2025 RTM with along with CU2, which is the latest cumulative update. Now click cancel. Now open SSMS and open here. Now you can go browse local and you can see this one connect trust certificate. Just connect. So now you are successfully connected. Open new query and select the version. So now see successfully CU2. Now take this screenshot. Okay, and you can share to the client. Before sharing that, just make sure you have restarted your PC and make this. After that, services are online. Once everything is done, you can drop to the email to the application team saying that the services are up and running. Please check the connectivity and let us know if any issues. So this is how we need to do Slipstream installation in real time. Okay, I hope you may like this video. Thank you.